Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Please write me at walkwithtak@gmail.com if you have any question regarding this video or any other video that I have posted. If you write me by email, I will be able to give you a more complete and thorough answer, and I will reply to your question promptly. Because of our diet, America faces a serious health problem because it has been projected by 2030 as many as 50% of Americans will be obese, which means that 1 in 2 will suffer from obesity. Now, this problem has been due to mainly from the overconsumption of calories in the ultra-processed food. So home cooking turned out to be probably one of the possible solutions in avert this health crisis. However, home cooking is not as simple as it seems, particularly in this day of age when almost most members of a family work outside the home. So there's little time for the traditional type of home cooking. In fact, for most American families, spending 30 minutes in the kitchen to prepare a meal is all that they can afford. Even though home cooking, without any question, reduces calorie consumption, it has been shown that eating at home will reduce calorie consumption by as much as 25% in comparison to eat fast and processed food or eat out in a restaurant. In some cases, home cooking can be very healthy, but in other cases, home cooking can be as bad as the ultra-processed food. This all depends on what one cooks, because in home cooking, you can also cook food that is high in salt, fat, and sugar. To solve these problems, I have developed a fast cooking system. This is a cooking system with 4 attributes. The name FAST is the acronym of these 4 attributes, and it stands for flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. But using my fast cooking system is not only will make home cooking efficient, so that you can cook a meal from scratch in less than 30 minutes, use all fresh ingredients. But furthermore, you can enhance the nutritional quality of the food that you cook using a cooking system or using a cooking style which I refer to as Cantonese cooking. In this video, I would like to describe what is Cantonese cooking and why Cantonese cuisine has such a benefit in terms of nutritional value. First of all, Cantonese cooking uses stir-frying as the main cooking technique. Stir-frying is not only the most efficient cooking technique out there, but also stir-frying provides ultimate control of how much you want to cook the ingredients. So you can cook the ingredients very lightly so that you can fully preserve the nutritional quality of the food ingredients. And this is particularly valuable when you use fresh ingredients. Furthermore, by cooking the ingredients lightly, it also maintains the flavor of the food ingredients. The fresher the ingredients, the better the flavor. Cantonese cuisines are widely considered to be the best cuisines in China among hundreds of other cuisines. The reason that Cantonese cuisine is so well known is because of its freshness. And the primary reason, Canton is located in southern part of China. It is a province rich in the natural resources and also has great agricultural infrastructure. And the result is that there are almost endless varieties of fresh food ingredients that people can choose from. And with a subtropical climate, you have these ingredients available almost year-round. And the reason that Cantonese cuisine is so prized because around the world, all the best cuisines and the best chefs, they always find the best ingredients that are freshest and also most flavorful. Today, home cooking entered what I call the golden age. The reason is simple because there are more fresh ingredients that are available to an everyday cook from all over the world, and they at the highest quality. And if you live in a metropolitan area, not only you have the regular fresh produce available to you, but you will also find fresh produce from all over different parts of the world due to the benefit of modern transportation. And because of the high quality of the fresh ingredients, one can actually prep them in advance through my advanced prepping method and store them in the refrigerator for up to a week without significantly affecting their quality. Cantonese cuisine is considered to be the best among all Chinese cuisine, mainly because of their wonderful flavor provided by the fresh ingredients. In comparison to cuisine from other parts of China, Cantonese cuisine are very lightly seasoned. All the dish use only minimum amount of seasoning so that it will enhance the natural flavor of the ingredients. In fact, for most Cantonese cuisines, the seasoning usually use normal aromatics such as garlic and ginger. And they also use two frequently used sauce, and that is oyster sauce and hoisin sauce. And by using them lightly, it's designed to enhance the natural flavor of the food ingredients. And I have developed the Wok with Tak basic seasoning mix, which is designed to enhance rather than overwhelm the natural flavor of the food ingredients. In Cantonese cuisine, vegetables play a key role in almost all the dishes. In fact, vegetable always is the main ingredients of the dish, and with meat served as a condiment. And the end result is that you can have highly nutritional dish, but also has great flavor. And with stir frying, you can combine different vegetable ingredients to create complex flavor. The complex flavor not only enjoyable, but it will also be more satiating. So you will actually eat less, but feel more fulfilled. And this will lead you to eat much healthier meal. Furthermore, is that you will consume less calorie. It's a great way for lose weight and eventually for weight management. And therefore, my fast cooking system with flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking not only will make home cooking efficient, but it also make it creative. And ultimately, you will create the type of dishes that you will find it only you can cook for yourself because you know exactly how you like it. And when you achieve this goal, you will not want anybody else to cook for you, and you will never want to turn back to ultra-processed food. As I mentioned earlier, the cooking system is just a tool. It will allow you to cook any type of cuisine you want. But in this case, the cooking system is designed for you to cook with ingredients that maintain its freshness and flavor. And the best way to do this is use Cantonese cooking. I post a video each day to help you to make your home cooking practical, efficient, creative, and fun, and help you to make a healthy home-cooked meal every day. So keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.